to my channel. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. I just got my single swag subscription box in. If you guys have not seen last month's box, I will link that right above for you guys to go check it out. You guys seem to really love this unboxing, so I thought, why not get it again? Also, they had another 40% off code, which I used, so I got this for 40% off because to me, I don't think that I would spend the full $39.99 because I'm kind of picky about how I spend my money. But I don't think I would spend $39.99 on this box. It's definitely worth that, but to me, I'd rather spend a little bit cheaper, which I'm pretty sure like it was 25 bucks. Always be sure to look out for a coupon code from them. I always see them like on Facebook. Anyway, yeah, if you guys want to see what's in the July, yes, this is the July box. It just got shipped to me. But again, this is a single swag box, and let's see what's in here. Okay, we're going to open this box up. So this right here says what's in the box. So I'm going to set that there. And then there it says, "We're so happy you decided to love yourself. To show our appreciation, we have included an extra surprise full-size item for you to enjoy in your first box." They pretty much considered this my first box because I did get the other one and then I canceled it and then I re-signed up. Guys, this is actually a really good way to reuse the coupon code and stuff like that. You can use a different email and stuff like that, but why not save money? So there's that. And let's open it up. So excited. Okay, first off, so this is what it looks like when I opened it up. So we got a lot of very cute goodies in here. So the first thing I see are these mini cookie stash chocolate chips, Belgian boys, and I have actually tried these before and they're really yummy, delicious. I love that they put little snacks in here. Yes, Matt and I were just talking about this. This is the Spongele lavender and vanilla, and this is one of those. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one of these before, but these are the Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffers, and I had one of these from my Fab. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I had one of these for my FabFitFun box, and it lasted me so long. I really only use it on the bottom of my feet. You can use it all over your body, but the fact that I like to use it on the bottom of my feet, Hunter learned to use it on the bottom of his feet. So when Matt gave him a bath, like 2 nights ago, he was asking where the sponge was, and I said it got like all dried up and all the stuff inside of it was gone. So I am so excited I picked this up. Plus, this is awesome because I think these are a little pricey. I will put up the price right above. So getting it in a subscription box is like totally worth it. And usually lavender is a very like strong scent in my opinion, but this is lavender, vanilla, and this smells amazing. I'm probably going to use this all over my body. And the fact that this has, okay, it does have perfumes and stuff, but whatever. It cleans our feet, me and Hunter's feet, and I'm very excited that I got another one of those. And then next up, I got some really cute socks. These are watermelon socks. I'm just going to, one in a melon, that's what it says. Just look how cute these are. I'm actually probably going to save these. I love watermelon. I talk about that in a video. You'll probably see it after this. But I love watermelon, and these are super cute. I just don't ever wear socks like that go this high up. Maybe I will, but I might re-gift these because I have an idea of who to gift them to. But anyway, super cute. Ooh, I see another one of these. These are, ooh, cookie butter cookies. I love little snacks like this, and the fact that it's only 136 calories, like I'm going to be starting to count calories again because your girl needs to lose some weight. Then I see, what the heck? This is, I'm pretty sure, one of the, no, this is probably it. Okay, gosh, there's so many amazing goodies in here. I'm so excited. So this is the Love Handle. Get a handle on the device you love. Oh, and it's like a little phone grip. and it has a little sticky thing on back. Okay, I really like that. I think I'm going to use this. I'm going to take off my pop socket because my pop socket is kind of getting a little, you know. But this will be perfect. That is really cool. Okay, they usually always have some jewelry in there. And this one is by Monarch Bloom. And last month I got a necklace and I love it. I've actually worn it a few times. And this month, totally going to wear these. I used to not like rose gold, but I have been absolutely loving rose gold lately. And this is a like little diamond. I love how simple that is. Okay, next up, which I'm pretty sure this is what they meant by the full size. This is the Makeup Drop, the original silicone beauty applicator, which I've never really gotten to this because I do like using a beauty blender, so this is definitely something that I'll most likely re-gift. Okay, one thing that I was very excited about in this box that I saw, this is like one thing that actually really made me get this box, and this is a You're a Badass Every Day, and I love this. I feel like I already love this book. So this is what it looks like. It's from Jen Sincero, and it is a tiny guide of mighty practices to keep your badass on track. Let's read part of it. Success equals success. It equals your dreams plus fear plus doing it anyway. I love it. And then it shows like little stories in it. So it has like the little saying and then it has some stories. So this book is going to be awesome. I really kind of need something of like encouragement. So this is one that I'll definitely read. And I like that. So also there's this Quineo plus Beaba. Again, really bad at pronouncing stuff, guys. I apologize. This is a sculpting and lengthening mascara. I have never, oh my gosh, this is very interesting. And I really love mascara. It's like one of my favorite things. If someone were to ask me what's my favorite thing about makeup, it is mascara. I'm just like a mascara junkie and I love it. So I'm super excited to try this out, especially since it's saying that it's a strengthening mascara. So last thing is this So Susan Cosmetics Halo on High Luminizing Powder. And let's see what this looks like. Come out. I'm just going to tear the box. Oh my gosh. That is very bronzy and glowy, super pretty, but this is definitely not my shade. You can definitely use it as an eyeshadow if you'd like, but I am not that big a fan of like browns. This is definitely something that I will re-gift. Okay, that was everything in this box. What did you guys think? I definitely think all this, to me, in my opinion, was worth what I paid for it, and I absolutely love everything that came in this box. I have so many things sitting around, so yeah, I am so happy with this box. I think I'm going to be getting next month's box for sure because it's awesome. It's called Single Swag, but you don't need to be single in order to get this box because I am in a happy relationship. There goes that box. I'm in a happy relationship, but this box is something that you can get just to like treat yourself, and I definitely think that is very important to do that. So what do you guys think? Did you like this box? Will you be getting this box? If you do enjoy my videos, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming ones. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.